At 4:30, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ottawa to near Minong to near Minier, moving east at 40 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Streator, Morris, Channahon, Pontiac, Minooka, Coal City, Marseilles, Dwight, Diamond, Seneca, Chunua, Gardner, Gridley, Flanagan, Odell, Maudon, South Streator, Braceville, and Grand Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 188 and 232. Interstate 80 between mile markers 88 and 120. This includes Gerhardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illini State Park, and William G. Stratton State Park. A tornado. Thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern northern Cook County. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Richmond to near DeKalb to near Plano. County in northeastern Illinois, eastern McKinley County in northeastern Illinois. At 4:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Richmond to near DeKalb to miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, trained weather spotters. These storms have a history of producing damage in 70 miles per hour winds west side of Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, and Elmhurst. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, Open Community College, Triton College, Benedictine University, Chain O Lakes State Park, College of DuPage, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Harvard College, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, Moraine Hills State Park, Morton Arboretum, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Wheaton College, and North Central College. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.